This is the first video about indefinite integrals and the net change theorem. So, an indefinite integral, here's the definition. An indefinite integral undoes a derivative. It is the antiderivative of a function. The result of an indefinite integral is a function, not a number. A definite integral will give you a number because it has a lower and an upper bound. An indefinite integral does not have a lower and upper bound, so the result is going to be a function. It's not going to be a number. So let's just say we have f of x, okay? And let's say the derivative of f of x is equal to f prime of x. Makes sense. So an indefinite integral undoes a derivative. So if we take the indefinite integral of f prime of x, we should get f of x. Now, that does sound like it makes sense, and it sounds like it would be true, but what we're missing here is a plus c, where c is equal to a constant, an unknown constant. Now, the reason of this is, let's just say we have x squared plus 4. When we take the derivative of x squared plus 4, the 2 is going to come down, this is going to become a 2x, and the 4 is going to become a 0. Now, when we take the indefinite integral of x squared plus 4, when we take the indefinite integral of 2x, we cannot know what the previous number is unless we were given it before. But if you were just given and told to take the integral of 2x, you don't know what was there before. So you can't know. So you have to put a plus c, which means a constant. Now, anyway, so I will show you briefly now how to basically do an indefinite integral. And so the formula to do an indefinite integral is going to be x. It's going to be x to the n plus 1, where n is the degree of whatever you're taking the indefinite integral of, and x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Now, as an example, if we're taking the integral of x squared, what we're going to do is it's going to be x to the 2 plus 1, because you're adding 1 and n is the degree, over 2 plus 1. And don't forget, plus c. So this is going to come out to be x to the third over 3. Now, this is the indefinite integral of x squared plus c, because we don't know what comes before it. But to prove it here, if we take the derivative of x to the third over 3, we will get 3x squared over 3. And the 3's will cancel out, and we'll be left with x squared, which is what we started with here. And so that's the definition of a derivative and a quick summary on how to do it.